Namaskar, hearty welcome to you all for this brief yoga session. Let us begin the session with a invocation. Close your eyes, have a namaskar, take a deep breath. शांति शांति Experience the resonance effect. Slowly open your eyes. Relax. Please stand up for some loosening exercises. These practices will help to improve the blood circulation and loosen the joint and ligaments. We begin with neck exercises, forward and backward bending. Keep 2 inches apart at feet. Keep your hands on the waist and slowly bend your head down and try to touch the chest. Exhale. Inhale, raise your head up and take your head back. Stretch. Slowly inhale up. Keep your head straight. Close your eyes. Lateral bending exercises. Slowly bend your head towards the right side with exhalation. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend your head towards the left side. Stretch. Inhale, come up. Close your eyes. Now the twisting. Exhale, twist your head towards the right side. Twist it. Inhale, come back. Exhale, twist your head towards the left side. Twist it. Inhale, come back. Close your eyes. Now, neck rotation. Exhale, bend your head down. Slowly rotate clockwise. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Anti-clockwise. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, rise your head up. Close your eyes, hands down. Relax the whole body, experiencing the impact of neck practices. Now we move on to shoulder rotation. Rise your arms up with inhalation. Exhale, bend your arms at elbows. Keep your palms on the shoulder. Now slowly bring your elbows parallel. We rotate clockwise. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Now we do it in reverse direction. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Make your shoulders straight. Stretch your arms. Exhale, hands down. Close your eyes. See the impact of shoulder rotation. Now move on to trunk twisting. Keep your feet at shoulder length. Rise your arms up. Exhale, twist towards the right side. Twist your body towards the right side. Twist it. Inhale, come back. Exhale, twist towards the left side. Twist it. Twist it. Inhale, return. Exhale, hands down. Close your eyes. Join your feet. See the impact of the trunk twisting. Now we begin some yogasana practices in standing. Let us start with the palm tree pose, the Tadasana. Keep your feet 2 inches apart. Rise your arms up Lock your fingers, turn them. Inhale, rise your palms up, hands, make your hands straight, stretch your body. Slowly rise your heels, stand on your toes, align the whole body, maintain the posture for few seconds. Slowly come back, heels down, open your fingers, stretch your arms, exhale, hands down, close your eyes, relax. See the impact of Tadasana. Tadasana helps to improve the spinal health. Let us move on to the half wheel posture, Ardha Chakrasana. Keep your feet 2 inches apart. Place your palms on the hips, elbows parallel. Inhale slowly, go back. Exhale, drop your body. Keep your legs straight. Bend your back. Open your chest. Relax the body. Maintain the posture for few seconds with normal breathing. Inhale, rise your head up. Exhale, hands down. Close your eyes. See the impact of Ardha Chakrasana. It improves the spinal health. We move on to the triangle posture, Trikonasana. Keep your feet 2-3 feet apart. Rise your arms up. Turn your right feet. Then slowly bend towards the right side with exhalation. Fantastic. And slowly turn your head. Look at the hand, middle finger of the upper hand. Twist the whole neck. Align the body. Maintain with relaxation. Wonderful. Slowly turn your head back. Inhale and come up. And take your right feet forward. And now slowly bend your left feet. Turn your left feet. Bend towards the left side. Exhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Align. Now turn your head up. Look at the middle finger of the upper arm. Twist the neck. Relax the whole body. Maintain the posture for few seconds. Slowly turn your head back. Raise your arms with inhalation. Keep both feet in a proper position. And hands down, feet together. Close your eyes. Now we'll move on to the sitting posture. The first posture is Bhadrasana, the firm posture. Now let us sit straight, legs together. Keep your palms beside the body. Keep your spine straight. This is called Dandasana. This is the initial position for all the sitting posture. Join your feet together. Hold your both the feet with your locked fingers. Slowly take your heels towards the body. Let them touch to the perineum region. Thighs stretch. Make your spine straight. Close your eyes. Normal breathing. Experience the relaxation. Then slowly exhale and release the posture. Stretch your legs and come back to Dandasana and Vishramasana, the relaxation posture in the sitting. We move on to Ardha Ustrasana, the half camel posture. Yes. Let us start with Vajrasana, the diamond posture. Take your right leg back, keep it beside the hip. And take your left leg back, keep it beside the hip. Sit on your feet. Keep your hands on the knee joints. Close your eyes. This is also a meditative posture called Vajrasana. Now we move on to Ardha Ustrasana. Please stand up on the knees. Keep your hands on the hips, elbows parallel. Slowly inhale and bend back. Bend back. Exhale, drop your body. Maintain the position for few seconds. This is the final position. Relax the body. Maintain the posture with normal breathing. Now slowly inhale and rise your head up. Bring back your elbows down and sit on your heels in Vajrasana. Now we move on to Shashakasana. Keep your knees apart. Exhale and slowly bend forward. Yes. Keep your chin on the ground. Stretch your back. Maintain the posture with normal breathing. The whole back is stretched up. This is very important asana for management of depression and anxiety. Slowly inhale and come up. Sit on your heels. Slowly we move on to Utthana Mandukasana. Knees apart. Keep both knees apart. Rise your arms up with inhalation. Cross your hands and keep the right hand on the left shoulder, left hand on the right shoulder. Stretch the whole back. Close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Relax the body. Maintain the posture with normal breathing for few seconds. Inhale, rise your arms up. Exhale, arms down. Join your knees. Slowly take out your left leg first, then the right leg. Sit in Dandasana and get to Vishramasana. Relax the body. Close your eyes. We have performed 4 postures: Vajrasana, Ardha Ustrasana, Shashakasana, Utthana Mandukasana in a series. This is a capsule of few asanas and multiply the benefits of the yoga practice. Let us move on to the prone postures. Lie down on your abdomen and keep your head on the hands. Relax the whole body. This is called the crocodile posture, the Makarasana. This gives the relaxation to the whole body, especially to the heart and the abdominal muscles. Now we practice the cobra posture, the Bhujangasana. Join your feet, stretch your arms, inhale, keep your forehead on the ground. This is called the position where we align the body. Now keep your palms beside the chest, chin on the ground, elbows parallel. Then slowly inhale, rise your head up, chest up, elbows parallel. Maintain the posture with heels together, toes together, knees together, with the whole body relaxed. The impact will be on the lumbosacral region. Fantastic. Slowly exhale, chest down, and keep your chin first, forehead first, next. Then stretch your arms. Inhale fully. Then exhale, relax, come to the crocodile posture, Makarasana, rest. Now let us move on to some supine postures. Lie down flat on your back, legs apart, hands apart, palms facing towards the sky. Take a deep breath and exhale. Now we practice Pavanamuktasana, the wind releasing posture. Join your legs. Keep your hands beside the body. Inhale, rise your legs up. make them straight. Exhale, bend your knees. Keep your knees towards the chest and slowly inhale, rise your arms up, lock your fingers. Exhale, press your knees toward the chest and rise your head up. Try to touch the knee joints. Inhale and exhale. Maintain the posture with normal breathing. Inhale, exhale, head down. Raise the posture. Inhale, rise your legs up. Exhale, legs down. Inhale, rise your arms up, stretch the whole body. Stretch the whole body. Exhale, come back. Keep your arms beside the body. Legs apart, hands apart, palms facing the sky. Take a deep breath and exhale. Feel the impact of Pavanmuktasana. Now let us practice some breathing practices. The first one is Kapalabhati. Sit in any comfortable position. Take a deep breath and exhale. Keep your back straight, close your eyes, and slowly rise your chest up and press your abdomen with exhalation. It's called active exhalation, passive inhalation, just like a blacksmith blow. Okay? Now let us inhale, expand the chest, exhale, start with 30 stop. Exhale, relax, close your eyes, see the impact of Kapalbhati. Take a deep breath and exhale. Now we practice Nadishodhan Pranayam, the alternative nostril breathing. Sit in any comfortable posture. Left hand in Jnana Mudra and right hand in the Pranayama Mudra or Nasika Mudra. Yes. Close your right nostril. Inhale through the left nostril. Close. Exhale through the right nostril. Again inhale through the right nostril. Close both the nostrils. Open the left nostril and exhale slowly. This is one round. We repeat another 4 rounds. Inhale through the left nostril. Close. Open the right and exhale. Inhale again through the right nostril. Close. Open the left. Exhale slowly. Continue for another 3 rounds. Keep the hands on the respective knees, relax, see the impact of alternative nostril breathing. Now we move on to the next pranayama. It's called Brahmari. We humming bee sound. Inhale slowly, and while exhaling, just produce the humming sound just like a bee. We do it 5 times. Inhale slowly. Inhale. 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 Feel the resonance impact, relaxing the whole body. Now we meditate. Keep your palms in Jnana Mudra. Close your eyes. Keep your spine straight. Watch your whole body from toes to the top of the head. Relax the whole body. Keep your spine straight. Neck relax, shoulder down. Take a deep breath and exhale. Now be an observer. Watch the flow of breathing. It slowly goes in and come out. Let it be natural. Don't guide. Be an observer. Then slowly watch your thoughts and emotions. Fix your gaze between the eyebrows. Watch the different colors and try to meditate. Feel the relaxation. Feel the relief of stress and anxiety. Meditation is the core of yoga, an integral part of yoga sadhana. Meditation or dhyana is yoga. Then slowly fold your hands for Namaskar Mudra. We conclude with Om chanting. Take a deep breath. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you. Thank you very much for joining with us.